Welcome to Impeccable Planet. Today we're diving into a treasure trove of culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes as we explore 20 must-see destinations in Belgium that should not be missed. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone who loves a good adventure, Belgium has something for everyone. So grab your travel gear and let's embark on this journey together. Number 1. Brussels Grand Place. Let's kick things off with the heart of Belgium, Brussels. The Grand Place is an absolute must-see, renowned for its stunning architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Surrounded by ornate guild halls and the impressive town hall, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is best experienced at dusk when the golden lights illuminate the square. Don't forget to snap a few pictures and maybe indulge in some Belgian waffles from a nearby stand. Trust me, they're worth it. Number 2. Bruges. Next up, we're heading to Bruges, often called the Venice of the North. This picturesque city is famous for its canals, cobbled streets, and medieval buildings. You can take a boat tour through the canals for a unique perspective of the city, or simply wander around and get lost in its charm. Be sure to visit the Belfry of Bruges for a stunning panoramic view after climbing its 366 steps. And if you're a chocolate lover, Bruges is home to some of the best chocolatiers in the world. Number 3. Ghent. Just a short train ride from Bruges is Ghent, a vibrant university city that beautifully blends history with a modern twist. The Gravenstein Castle is a must-visit. It's a medieval fortress that will transport you back in time. Explore the quaint streets, and make sure to check out St. Bavo's Cathedral, where you can admire the famous altarpiece, the Adoration of the Mystic Lamb. Ghent is also known for its lively atmosphere, especially in the evenings when the bars and restaurants come alive. Number 4. Antwerp. Now let's head to Antwerp, the diamond capital of the world. This city is not just about bling, it's also a hub for fashion and art. The Cathedral of Our Lady is a stunning piece of architecture that houses works by the renowned painter Peter Paul Rubens. Stroll through the trendy fashion district and check out the unique boutiques. And if you're a fan of beer, don't miss the chance to try some local brews at the historic De Koninck Brewery. Number 5. Leuven. Our next stop is Leuven, home to one of the oldest universities in the world. The university library is a stunning building that's worth a visit, and the surrounding area is filled with lively cafes and bars, perfect for soaking in the student atmosphere. If you're in the mood for a bit of history, the M Museum Leuven showcases contemporary art and hosts fascinating exhibitions. And of course, you can't leave Leuven without trying a pint of Stella Artois at its birthplace. Number 6. Mechelen. Just a short train ride from Brussels, you'll find Mechelen, a charming city with a rich history. The St. Rumbold's Cathedral is a highlight, with its impressive tower offering breathtaking views of the city. You can also wander through the beautiful Kruidtuin, a botanical garden that's perfect for a leisurely stroll. Mechelen is a hidden gem that often gets overlooked, so take your time exploring its quaint streets and delightful cafes. Number 7. Dinant. Nestled along the Meuse River, Dinant is a stunning destination known for its dramatic cliffs and beautiful scenery. The Collegiate Church of Notre Dame is a striking landmark that dominates the skyline. You can take a cable car up to the citadel for panoramic views of the town and river. For the adventurous souls, kayaking on the Meuse River is a fantastic way to experience the natural beauty of the area. Don't forget to try the local specialty, Coq de Dinant, a hard biscuit that's perfect for snacking. Number 8. Waterloo. History buffs, this one's for you. The site of the famous Battle of Waterloo is just a short drive from Brussels. You can visit the impressive Lion's Mound, which commemorates the battle and offers a fantastic view of the battlefield. The Wellington Museum provides fascinating insights into the events leading up to this pivotal moment in history. It's a great place to learn about the past while enjoying the serene countryside. Number 9. Tournai. Let's head to Tournai, one of Belgium's oldest cities. The stunning Tournai Cathedral, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see with its impressive Romanesque architecture. You can also explore the city's rich history at the Museum of Fine Arts, which houses an impressive collection of artworks. Tournai's charming streets are perfect for a leisurely stroll, and you can enjoy a coffee at one of the many cafes lining the square. Number 10. Ypres. Our next destination is Ypres, a city that holds a deep significance in World War I history. The Menin Gate Memorial is a poignant tribute to the soldiers who lost their lives during the war. Attend the last post ceremony held every evening. It's a moving experience that pays homage to the fallen. The In Flanders Fields Museum provides a comprehensive look into the war's impact on the region. Ypres is a place of reflection and remembrance, making it a meaningful stop on your journey. Number 11. Antwerp Zoo. If you're traveling with family, don't miss the Antwerp Zoo, one of the oldest zoos in the world. Located right in the city center, it's home to a wide variety of animals and offers a fun day out. The zoo's beautiful gardens and historic architecture make it a lovely place to explore. Plus, you can learn about conservation efforts and see some incredible wildlife up close. And who doesn't love a day at the zoo? Number 12. The Ardennes. For nature lovers, Blasmaniers, the Ardennes Ardennen region is a must-visit. This picturesque area is perfect for hiking, biking, and exploring the great outdoors. You can visit the stunning La Roche-en-Ardennes, a charming town surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. The region is also dotted with castles, such as the impressive Bouillon Castle, where you can immerse yourself in medieval history. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, the Ardennes has it all. Number 13. The Atomium. Back in Brussels, we can't forget the iconic Atomium. This unique structure, built for the 1958 World Expo, is a symbol of modern architecture. You can take an elevator to the top sphere for panoramic views of the city. Inside, there are exhibitions showcasing science, design, and history. The Atomium is not just a photo opportunity, it's an experience that captures the spirit of innovation. Number 14. Mechelen Toy Museum. If you're feeling nostalgic, the Mechelen Toy Museum is a delightful stop. This charming museum showcases a vast collection of toys from different eras, making it a fun experience for both kids and adults. You can even try your hand at some of the vintage games on display. It's a quirky and heartwarming place that will bring back fond memories of childhood. Number 15. Sint-Niklaas. Known for its annual Sinterklaas festivities, Sint-Niklaas is a charming town that's worth a visit. The town square is lined with beautiful buildings, and you can explore the local shops and cafes. If you're in town during the holiday season, the Sinterklaas celebrations are a magical experience for families. The town's festive spirit and warm atmosphere make it a lovely stop on your Belgian adventure. Number 16. Ostend. Let's head to the coast and visit Ostend, a vibrant seaside city. The beach is perfect for a relaxing day by the sea, and you can enjoy a stroll along the promenade. The Ostend Fish Market is a great spot to sample fresh seafood, and you can even try some traditional fish and chips. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent bikes and explore the nearby coastal paths. Ostend is a lively destination that combines beach fun with cultural experiences. Number 17. Antwerp's Cathedral of Our Lady. We're back in Antwerp to take a closer look at the Cathedral of Our Lady, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Inside, you'll find stunning artworks, including several by Rubens. The intricate details and soaring ceilings will leave you in awe. Take your time to explore this magnificent cathedral and appreciate its historical significance. It's a true gem of Antwerp. Number 18. La Louvière. For something a bit different, head to La Louvière and explore the fascinating boat lifts of the Canal du Centre. These engineering marvels are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are a testament to Belgium's industrial heritage. You can take a boat tour to see the lifts in action and learn about their history. It's a unique experience that showcases Belgium's innovative spirit. Number 19. The Belgian coast. While we're at the coast, let's not forget the beautiful Belgian coast. Stretching from Heist to Dinant, this region is dotted with charming seaside towns and stunning beaches. You can enjoy water sports, beach walks, or simply relax in the sun. The coastal towns offer a variety of dining options, so be sure to indulge in some fresh seafood while you're there. The Belgian coast is a perfect getaway for those seeking relaxation and fun. Number 20. The Royal Palace of Brussels. Last but certainly not least, we have the Royal Palace of Brussels. This stunning palace is the official palace of the King and Queen of Belgium. While the palace is not open to the public year-round, you can visit during the summer months when the staterooms are open for tours. The surrounding park is a lovely place to relax and enjoy the beautiful gardens. It's a perfect way to conclude your Belgian adventure. And there you have it, 20 must-see destinations in Belgium that will leave you with unforgettable memories. From historic cities to breathtaking landscapes, Belgium is a country that truly has it all. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our journey, and subscribe to Impeccable Planet for more incredible travel content. Check out the link in the description for more amazing activities to experience in Belgium. Until next time, happy travels.